A friend of mine passed away a couple of days ago. His name is Jaime Licauco. Telekinesis is the movement of objects using only your mind. Okay, this evening, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Gusto nyo ba yun? Yeah? So, check if those are real spoons. Totoo naman? Yeah? Okay. Just put your spoon inside the bag. Stretch your arm. Okay. So in a while, mararamdaman nyo medyo mangangawit kayo. And it's okay. It's okay. Embrace the ngawit. Yeah? Yep, it's bending. Sige, rub faster. As a rub faster, mararamdaman mo, hindi siya tumitigas, pero lumalambot siya. Yep, lumalambot. Opposite. Okay, lumalambot ng lumalambot. Bending and bending and bending and bending and bending. You feel it bend? Yes, you're bending and bending. It's bending even more and stop.
Whoa!
Oh my, lumalabas yung powers ng mga tao if we are being inconvenienced. And as they watch subconsciously, something is happening. Yung ngawit, parang nararamdaman mo parang pumupunta sa tip ng fingers ninyo. Yeah, and the bag is slowly heating up, right? Yeah, it's heating up. Parang you can feel a little movement from inside the bag. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Tingnan nyo kung ano yung nangyari sa loob. Buddy?
What the hell? Oh, shit! Dude, real shit?
Yes!
What the fuck?
It's now bent. Let's give them a big hand.